My name's Aidan and I'm the maintenance manager. Honestly, it's the best job I've had. I've had a lot of experience with rainwater, gray water, but it was hard to apply it in the field. And to be able to maintain gardens that are native and drought tolerant while focusing on rainwater and gray water is pretty special to me. The company treats us well, gives us plenty of benefits, and I get to be outside doing what I love every day. We don't buy anything from big box stores. We buy everything local. We don't maintain any lawns. We don't own a mower. We don't even have a gas-powered weed whipper. All of our maintenance is hand tools and focused on selectively pruning to make the natives the most natural form possible. It requires a little less frequent of visits and allows the garden and the plants to take their natural shape. It is more informal, which in the natural realm can be the most pleasing both for ecological purposes and aesthetic purposes.